Good morning, kids. This is your Pushpanjali ma'am, and once again we are here for the science class. Have you completed your previous works that we had discussed in our last class? Till chapter 4, all the work we have done. Question answers, keywords, word meaning, and the value based question. Today we will go with the next lesson of your science book. Do you know what is the name of the chapter? Can you guess? You can guess. Just have a look on your screen. What do you observe on the screen? There are some pictures of the animals. Yes or no? Why I am showing you this picture? Because the name of our next lesson, lesson number 5, is animals. Is animal important for us? Yes, they are important. How? First, our food. They come from two sources. One is plant and the another one is animal. Just rewind the thing what we had discussed in our previous class. The plants play very important role in our life. The very first thing, they give oxygen to survive, to breathe. Second, they give varieties of food in the form of fruits, vegetables, cereals, grains, pulses, etc. Do we eat only cereals, grains, fruits and vegetables? No. You just notice your mama. Your mama must be forcing you to drink milk. Why? Because milk is considered as the mama gives us milk. Milk is good for us because it is known as complete food. It gives us energy, it gives us healthy body, and it helps us to grow the body. Clear? From where do we get the milk? We get the milk from animals. Which animal? The cow. We get our milk from cow. So today we will discuss about the animals and their importance in our life, as well as the types of animals. You can see the domestic animals, the wild animals, and how they live in different places. That we will study in this chapter. Now let's start the discussion. So let's start the discussion. Chapter number 5, Animals. The animals are important because some of the food items we get from animal. Food we get from plant as well as from animal. In your pre-primary classes, you all have read about the difference between the domestic animals and the wild animals. What is the meaning of domestic animals? They are also known as pet animals. The animals which live with us, they are friendly to us. Cat or kitten, the babies of cat are known as kitten. Dog or the pup, the baby of dog is known as pup. They are friendly to us. They can live with us in our home. But there are some animals, they live in forest. They are not friendly to us. They are dangerous to us. Like your tiger. It is very rare. In some part, I have seen that the human beings are very fond of keeping tiger. I have seen, but it is very rare. ये बहुत कम होता है. टाइगर रखना हर किसी के बस की बात नहीं है. कुछ लोगों का पैशन होता है, वो टाइगर वगैरह को अपने पास रखते हैं एज अ पेट एनिमल्स. बट टाइगर का मोस्टली जो घर होता है ना, वो फॉरेस्ट होता है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव विद द टॉपिक गिवन इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. लिटिल आर्यन came home from school, ate his lunch and fell asleep. He had a nice dream in his sleep. In his dream, he met some animals. One by one, all the animals introduced themselves to him. There was a boy whose name was Aryan. When he returned from school to home one day, after finishing his lunch, he fell asleep. Okay? And while sleeping, he saw a dream. In that dream, he might have visited zoo where he met some animals. And all the animals, they started introducing themselves to Aryan. उन्होंने एक एक करके अपना नाम बताया. किसको? आर्यन को. Now what you have to do, you have to guess the name of that animal. Okay? The very first one. I am friendly and guard your home. Who am I? I am friendly and guard your home. Who am I? The first animal that came in the dream of Aryan, it was a dog. Dog guards our house. Number 2, I live in and around your home. मैं तुम्हारे घर में, तुम्हारे घर के आसपास दिखता हूँ. कुछ लोगों के घर में, कुछ लोगों के घर के आसपास घूमता हूँ. I give you milk. I am a, बताओ, guess. I am a cow. Cow's milk is the most common milk that the children drink. Number 3, I do not live around your home. मैं तुम्हारे घर के आसपास नहीं रहता हूँ. I am the king of the jungle. Who am I? I am the king of the jungle. Who am I? I am a lion. Number 3. I am a lion. Lion. Number 4. I have a horn on my head. मेरे सर पर एक सींग है. Who am I? I am a rhinoceros. Number 4. R H I N O C E R O S. Rhinoceros. Number 5. I have a light green color body and use my red beak for eating. Beak means it is a bird. बीक मतलब चोंच. चोंच किसके पास होती है? बर्ड्स के पास होते हैं. तो आई एम अ बर्ड. आई हैव ग्रीन कलर्ड बॉडी एंड अ रेड बीक. हु एम आई? बोलो जल्दी बोलो, कौन है ये? इट इज अ पैरट. नंबर 5 is parrot. So Aryan met total 5 animals in his dream. You can see in the picture. The first one dog, second one cow, third one lion, fourth one rhinoceros, and the fifth one is your parrot. When Aryan woke up, Aryan जब उठा, he told his mother about his dream. He wanted to know more about animals. He was very curious. He wanted to know more about these animals. Where do they live? How do they eat? How do they survive? Everything. Because now Aryan had met these animals. His mother explained that there are different types of animals. Not only these 5. Aryan met only 5 animals. But his mother told, besides these 5 animals, in our world or environment, there are varieties of animals, different types of animals. They have different feeding habits. Now, what is the meaning of feeding habits? Feeding habits की meaning क्या होती है? खाने का तरीका, the way of taking food. Feeding habit, इसकी meaning होती है way of taking food. Clear? Way of taking food. हर जानवर का खाना खाने का तरीका अलग होता है. Have you ever noticed? What does a cow eat? Cow eats grass. Yes or no? Cow eats grass. What does a dog eat? पता है, डॉग जो है ना, मोस्टली जो होता है ना, वो मीट खाता है. मीट मतलब फ्लैश खाता है. FLESH. और दोनों का खाने का तरीका बिल्कुल अलग होता है. क्लियर? Also they live in different habitats. तो पहला हम पढ़ेंगे feeding habit. Number 2 is the habitat. What is the meaning of habitat? रहने की जगह. ये जानवरों का अपना अपना रहने का जगह होता है. The living place. फिर से बोलेंगे. डॉग कहाँ रहता है? डॉग हमारे साथ रहता है. डॉग का अपना घर होता है. व्हाट वी कॉल्ड इट? कैनल. बट वेयर डू द टाइगर्स लीव? टाइगर्स लीव इन जंगल और फॉरेस्ट. नेक्स्ट, सम लीव ऑन लैंड एंड अदर्स लीव इन वाटर. देयर आर सम एनिमल्स who live on land. कुछ ऐसे जानवर हैं जो जमीन पर रहते हैं. But some of the animals they live in water. कंफ्यूज मत होना. लैंड के आगे ऑन लिखेंगे जमीन के ऊपर, और वाटर के आगे इन लिखेंगे पानी के अंदर. इन ऑन अंडर पढ़ा था ना. इन मतलब अंदर, ऑन मतलब ऊपर. ऑन लैंड एंड इन वाटर. The animals लीव कहाँ कहाँ रहते हैं? ऑन लैंड एंड इन वाटर, जमीन के ऊपर और पानी के अंदर. बट देयर आर सम एनिमल्स लाइक योर बर्ड्स. ये कहाँ रहते हैं? जमीन पर रहते हैं या पानी में रहते हैं? वेयर डू दे लिव? दे फ्लाई इन द एयर. दे फ्लाई इन द एयर. समझ में आ गई बात? मीन्स द एनिमल्स live on land, water and sometimes some of the animals means birds they live in air. Birds भी animal category में ही आता है, ठीक है? So along with Aryan, let us learn more about how animals are classified. Classified की meaning क्या होती है? बांटना. जितने भी जानवर है ना, all the animals present in environment, they are divided in groups. अभी आपका 3A का ग्रुप है, 3B का ग्रुप था ना, फिर हमने एक साइंस का ग्रुप बनाया. ऐसे ही जितने भी जानवर हमारे नेचर में है, they all have different groups. उसको हम कहते हैं क्लासिफिकेशन. क्लासिफिकेशन. क्लासिफिकेशन का मतलब होता है डिवाइड करना. टू मेक ग्रुप्स. ठीक है, ये लिखना नहीं है, ये आपको हम समझाने के लिए यहां पे लिख रहे हैं. ओके, यू कैन सी हियर. डू यू नो अ प्लेस वेयर एन एनिमल लीव्स इज कॉल्ड इट्स हैबिटेट. A place where an animal lives is called its habitat. Okay? Now homework time. आज का होमवर्क क्या है? You will write 5 lines on animals. ठीक है, write 5 lines on animal. Number 2, what is habitat? Habitat क्या होता है, ये हमें लिखना है. And question number 3 आपको ये वाला करना है. ठीक है, do पेज नंबर 31. ठीक है, ये जितने जो 5 लाइन्स लिखे हैं ना, ये पूरा आपको कॉपी में करना है. दैट मच इन टुडेज क्लास. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.